friends. This week we finished up the cocktail bracket, and in the end our friend the Old Fashioned took the crown. I love the Old Fashioned. You can see I've been celebrating quite a bit with this orange, and the orange peel adds something really special. It's a good example of a cross-modal interaction. Basically, a cross-modal interaction is any interaction that describes the enhancement or otherwise alteration caused by one sensory modality on another sensory modality. So in this case, it's the perception of the aroma of the orange that increases the sweet taste perception. And this is a common trick that's utilized in the food industry to either enhance the salty perception of something without actually adding salt, or the sweet perception without actually adding sweetness. The classic example is adding vanilla aroma to diet foods to increase the sweetness. So I'm going to go ahead and try it out now, and it's a fun trick to use at home. Cheers.